Manong pabili nga pong fishball sa kakwek-kwek. So, Bes, anong balita? O, ayun, Bes, yun daw nga bata sa kabilang kanto. Grabe, hindi daw nakakalakad. Naku, yan na nga ang sinasabi ko. Kakaselfon niya yan. Naku, Bes, mas malala dyan. Pinanganak pala siyang pilay. Nasuntok ka na ba sa ilong? Siyempre, hindi na yun makakalakad. Siyempre, pinanganak ng pilay. Oh, Manong. Can you give me some, what do you call that? Quake. Lintis na quake yun. Bes, tara, alis na tayo. May bida-bida na. Oh, wait. Why you're leaving is very soonable. Are you afraid to yourselves? Ah! Oh, wait. Why you is me is you is why? Why are we going to afraid to ourselves? Mas nakakatakot pa nga yung mga lisa mo sa ulo. Don't me. I know you're scaring to your own character because your face sound familiar. Iuntog kaya kita sa pader. Hoy, tumigil ka nga sa kaka-English mo, hindi mo rin naman alam yung sinasabi mo. We are not understanding you. Well, I'm aware of what I'm saying. I'm werewolf, I'm underwear, and whenever. And also the functionality of your brainly.com can't understanding me because you two are bobowers. Anong bobowers? Ang kapal ang mukha mo. Ouchie! I'm only stating facts that you two are bobowers because your average is 89% of germs. Yak, ew, kaderder. Tanga, walang kasamang germs yon, bacteria lang. Palibhasa, binabayaran mo yung teacher natin kaya naging 99 yung average mo. You base bullshit. You can't even see the footprint that I am exchanging money to the teacher's panty. In Tagalog, wala kayong pruweba. Saan mo hinugot yun? Napakalayo! Ibe, sa hawakan ko, sikmurahan mo. Buisit ka? Bessie, let's now initiate retreat on this tragic agri-culture, Bessie. And you, yes,